Om Shanti. What we are going to learn about today is carefree nature. See, in life, everyone is worried about something. Being carefree has become a rarity. But some people may think, how can there be no worries? Most of people think that worries and thinking as the same thing. We think that worry without thinking is like that. If we want to do something, we need to think about it. Otherwise, we cannot do properly. But now we are doing something and we are worrying about it. We cannot do that thing when we are worrying about it. So, we need to understand the difference between thinking and worrying. Then we can be carefree. The next thing is, who can be carefree? Some people say that who have no responsibility should be carefree. But it is not like that. Even if you have responsibility, we should not worry. What should we do? If you want to be carefree in responsibilities, I am an instrument, I am a trustee. We should do anything with the thought these responsibilities has been entrusted to me, because in the world is nothing for us, everything is given to us. So, we want to understand these principles of life and act. I am a responsible person. I am an instrument. Whenever we do an action with the sense of responsible, then the carefree nature comes into our mind. The next thing is, we need to do, if we want to be carefree, keep our mind light. If there is any burden in our mind, it should be corrected immediately. The best example of carefree nature is Dada Lekraj, the Brahma Kumari's Father Brahma. Father Brahma was able to maintain as a carefree emperor because his determined mindset and sure intellect. He is never worried about something. If there is a lack of attainment or if he loses something, he worries. But wherever there is a state of attainment or wherever Almighty authority, there is no question of worry. Stable mindset means without wandering around in many ways or raising questions. Put full stop that all is good. We should have full faith in God and ourselves and Rama. Even in the threat size should not be doubt in any way. You must have always powerful thoughts in any situations. Always be motivated and enthusiastic with bold thoughts. Always be intoxicated with success is my birthrights. Then we can become a carefree emperor like Father Brahma. Om Shanti.
Stay tuned to our YouTube channels for spiritual experiences in all true languages.